In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link pages on Squarespace. Linking one page to another is a simple way to guide visitors exactly where you want them to go, whether that's a services page, a contact form, or a featured blog post. Let's walk through the process clearly so you can do it with confidence. Start by choosing the block or element you want to turn into a link. This could be a piece of text in a text block, a button you've already added, or another clickable element on your page. Click to select that element. If it's text, highlight just the words you want to be clickable. If it's a button, simply click once to select the entire button. When the element is selected, a small context menu will appear near it. Look for the link icon. It typically looks like a small chain. Click that icon to open the link editor. This is where you'll define exactly where your element should point. Inside the link editor, change the link type to URL. This is important because it gives you the flexibility to choose from your site's existing pages using a familiar link format. After switching to URL, click inside the URL field. Squarespace will display suggestions from your own website, and you can scroll through or start typing the name of the page you want. This makes it easy to avoid typos and ensures the link points to the correct internal page. Select the page you want from the list, and you'll see the URL field fill in automatically. Once you've confirmed it's the right page, click Save. That applies the link to your selected text or button and closes the editor. Now it's time to test. Click the newly linked text or button on your page to make sure it takes you to the page you selected. You should be navigated straight there, confirming everything is set up correctly. If it doesn't go where you expect, reopen the link editor, verify that link type is set to URL, and choose the intended page again. And that's it. You selected your element, clicked the link icon, switched the link type to URL, chose the page from your site, saved, and tested the result. With this quick workflow, you can connect important parts of your site and create a smoother path for your visitors. Thanks for following along, and enjoy building seamless navigation across your Squarespace pages.